Here, you video.
Oh, sweet.
How often do you climb?
Never.
Never?
Never. I've always lived.
There we go, David.
I've lived like over by the ballpark over there, like for 8 years, and I've just never been over here.
You ever go indoor climbing?
No.
Is there anywhere around here to do that?
There's a place in Birmingham called First Avenue Rocks.
Okay.
And it's, I mean, the rocks are a lot shorter than these are, but they got like different colors that you follow to challenge
That's
yourself
cool.
in different ways.
Yeah.
And I mean, anywhere, if you fall in there, you ain't gonna fall to like 15, 20 feet.
Yeah.
And you're gonna land on a pad anyways.
Yeah.
So.
That'd be fun.
Okay, I'm back up. Come here, Nick, come here. I know. You made it look easy. Come on, boy.